After partnering millions of businessmen in their success the world over, the world's favorite range of pickups are now in India. To ally with every hard-working Indian, supporting their business, supporting their ambition and accelerating their success. The Isuzu D-Max takes inspiration from the king of the jungle, the lion. With the looks of a lion, with the power of a lion, and the strength of a lion, the D-Max is your extra advantage to becoming the king of your business. To add to it, the D-Max range has been customized to suit Indian needs like flat decks for more loading area. The most powerful engine amongst all pickups. Car-like comfort to go about your business smoothly. An extra large fuel tank to go the extra distance. And a strong suspension to take on the tough Indian roads.
Isuzu ครับผม
ทนจริงๆค่ะใช้มาตั้ง 950,000 กว่าโลแล้วไม่ทนได้ไงคะ
อยากแนะนำให้ท่านที่ยังไม่เคยใช้ Isuzu ลองหันมาใช้ Isuzu แล้วครับแล้วท่านจะรัก Isuzu ครับผมเหมือนผมที่รัก Isuzu ครับผม
Isuzu ใช้ดีครับเวลาวิ่งประหยัดมั่นใจเวลาเข้าโค้งครับ
To me, Isuzu actually exemplifies my lifestyle and my needs. I actually treat this as just as my part of family, and to me this gives me a whole sense of completeness and in being able to go complete my lifestyle.
Very agile. It gives great comfort as a driver when I drive it. Apart from that, being a stable vehicle and which can do better speeds than the other ones, our transportation time required is much lesser.
And to add to the peace of mind, Isuzu offers the most comprehensive warranty scheme. With max power for faster turnaround, max your trips, max your profits, max your growth. With the king by your side, the Isuzu D-Max, India's first global pickup. Max your success.